We have breaking news right now. An 8.0 magnitude earthquake has just struck off the coast of far east Russia. Now, this is not an area that is typically populated, but tsunami watches have been issued for Hawaii and for Guam, given the fact that this earthquake struck right off the coast of east Russia and could potentially generate destructive waves for Hawaii. So, if you live in Hawaii, if you live in Guam, if you know anyone who lives in Hawaii or in Guam, know that a tsunami watch has been issued. That doesn't mean that a tsunami